Hey everyone, Joe here, and today we're going to learn how to make my favorite lazy fruit smoothie. This is Wyman's of Maine triple berry blend. I use frozen fruit, works for me, and actually it makes the smoothie very cold, and I'm too lazy to put ice cubes in the ice tree anyway, so it's perfect for me. This here is Chobani yogurt, black cherry on the bottom, and we have here unsweetened vanilla, almond breeze, almond milk. Unfortunately for me, as I got older, I actually became more, I guess, lactose intolerant. I can still have milk, but it kind of upsets me. So this is something I use as a substitute for milk. So let's get started. First thing we do is measure about 2 cups of our frozen fruit. And now we take the milk, and it's also about 2 cups. If you want more of a slushy kind of feel, you can add a little bit less milk. If you want it more liquidy, you can add a little more. This is kind of in between for me. We add that. And then finally we add our Chobani yogurt. And then we blend. And now we finally pour into our favorite cup. Mind you, I use glass or ceramic because this stuff kind of sticks to things easy, so once you're done with this, clean it fast. And there you have it, my lazy fruit smoothie. Try it out, tell me how you like it, thumbs up, subscribe. If you have a better recipe, please let me know, but it has to be equally lazy.